Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of eyewear and exploring what could be the best progressive lenses for driving. Livho blue light blocking glasses. These Livho glasses aren't just your average eyewear. They're designed with advanced technology to protect your eyes from harmful blue light while providing clarity and comfort, making them perfect for driving and everyday use. Let's talk about what sets these glasses apart. First off, they're equipped with UV 400 protection and glare reduction, which means they shield your eyes from harmful UV rays and reduce glare, ensuring a safer and more comfortable driving experience. But it's not just about functionality. Livho prioritizes style too. These glasses feature a sleek and stylish design that complements any outfit, whether you're hitting the road or heading to the office. Comfort is key when it comes to eyewear, especially for long drives. That's why Livho uses ultra-lightweight and flexible TR90 nylon frame material, ensuring durability and long-term wearing comfort. Now, let's talk about the benefits of wearing Livho blue light blocking glasses. Not only do they protect your eyes from digital eye strain and fatigue, but they also promote better sleep by blocking harmful blue light that can disrupt your circadian rhythms. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the effectiveness of these glasses in reducing headaches, eye strain, and fatigue from prolonged screen time. In conclusion, Livho blue light blocking glasses are not only the best progressive lenses for driving, but they're also a must-have accessory for anyone who values eye health and comfort in our digital age. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, drive safe and protect your eyes with Livho blue light blocking glasses. Thanks for watching.